Wow, look at all the pretty things for your hair. There's a flashlight the kitty in. Okay. Oh, honey, that just goes down all by itself.
Outside?
No, in the cellar. What's this? Go let the kitty in.
You like that, huh, Elizabeth?
She thought it's at Jody's daughter's bedroom. And I had one just like that, too. She wanted it. Good. Gotta put the drawer back in.
It's so big, honey.
Oh, where?
It's so big.
Now wear one. Oh, boy, oh, the jewelry.
How much did that case cost you?
That wasn't expensive.
No.
The what? Oh, that. That was $2.99 at Kmart. You can believe it. Yeah, Kmart had it. They still do, too. I couldn't believe it. I was just checking out all the stores, you know, like Kmart and Ames and Hills for Entertainment Center. I saw that one. And I said, wow, oh man.
All natural, what is it like?
It's cherry. Yeah, it's all real wood.
All cherry?
Yeah. It matches the set
All
perfectly.
put together already?
Yeah, completely except for the glass. Huge box. Jeff had to come with me with his truck to get it.
Why'd you open the rest of your stuff?
Beauty and the Beast. Yeah.
You're an affectionate kitty, aren't you?
Othello. Did you eat them already? Oh my gosh. Here, sit down here. Okay, there you go. Look at Othello. Othello right here. Oh, there's Othello eating her Christmas present. Yeah. What do you got? Oh boy. Look at your stocking. Look at your stocking, Jeff. Earrings and t-shirts, and what's in your stocking? Go show Daddy your stocking. What does it say on your stocking?
Love heart. There's baby.
Baby Messy alive.
Baby Maxie alive.
Here's her ball and food.
That's funny.
Diapers. There's diapers for her. Ooh, we gave you 3 more diapers.
Yeah.
Well. Oh. Pacifier.
She's
As real can be.
Real candy. This is real doll.
It is.
Yeah, she eats.
Oh.
Real eat.
Does she fill up her diapers?
Yeah.
She actually chews her food and dirties her diaper just like a real baby.
Oh boy.
Feed Baby Alive doll her special food only. Also sold at Baby Alive accessory sets. Clean the doll, undress and then diaper her. She should be held over a sink and given a full bottle or more of water until the water comes out clear.